Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly shape their lives into masterpieces, while others feel trapped in an endless cycle of frustration? Could it be that their secret lies in the way they think, how they imagine, believe, and focus? The power of your mind to create the reality you live in. When I was a child, I made a mistake that left me both physically scared and profoundly enlightened. I touched a searing hot iron. Despite my mother's furious warnings not to, curiosity and defiance drove me to the action. The pain was instant, unforgettable. But as I've reflected on that memory over the years, I've realized it was more than just a lesson in listening. It was a revelation about the stories we tell ourselves and how they shape our actions and reality. You see, our minds are like sculptors, endlessly chiseling away at the raw material of our lives. What many don't realize is that they hold the chisel and the design in their imagination. Whether consciously or unconsciously, your thoughts act as the blueprint for your experiences. The beliefs you carry about the world, about yourself, are the foundations of the life you live. Consider this: if you believe that life is a battle, you'll find yourself waging constant wars against people, circumstances, even yourself. On the other hand, if you believe that life is abundant and full of possibilities, your life will mirror that abundance. Imagination isn't just child's play or a creative exercise for artists. It's a tool for creating your future. Think about every invention, every skyscraper, every groundbreaking idea began in someone's mind. Someone dared to imagine it before it became reality. Here's a question: when was the last time you allowed yourself to deeply, vividly imagine the life you want? Not just a passing thought, but a heartfelt vision, rich with emotion and detail. Because here's the secret: your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. It responds to both with the same intensity. But here's where the catch lies. It's not enough to simply imagine. Your beliefs act as the soil in which your thoughts are planted. If that soil is barren, filled with doubt, fear, or unworthiness, those seeds won't grow. Imagine envisioning success but secretly believing you don't deserve it. That conflict will manifest in your reality. To change your life, you must first change the beliefs that hold you back. And yes, it's a painful process at times. Confronting and rewriting those inner scripts can feel like pulling up weeds with roots that run deep. But every step you take brings you closer to aligning with your truest desires. Here's another true thing: what you focus on expands. Focus on problems and you'll attract more of them. Focus on opportunities and they'll multiply. The human brain is a filtering system. It doesn't process every piece of information in your environment. Instead, it amplifies what you dwell on. So ask yourself, what have you been focusing on lately? Are your thoughts serving your growth, or are they reinforcing limitations? Now here's a powerful exercise to try: live as if your dreams are already fulfilled. Not in a fake it till you make it way, but by embodying the feelings of joy, gratitude, and confidence as though your desires are already reality. This shifts your energy, decisions, and even the opportunities that come your way. It's like being an actor in your own play. To achieve the starring role, you must first embody it, rehearse it, feel it in your bones. And as you do, your reality starts to shift to match the script you've written. Let's pause for a moment. Why do these ideas stick with us? Why do stories about a burned hand or an iron leave lasting impressions? Because stories engage the mind in a way that pure logic or facts cannot. They spark the imagination, elicit emotion, and create a connection. That's the power of storytelling. And the same principle applies to the stories you tell yourself every day. So, what does this all mean for you? It means the life you've dreamed of isn't as far away as it seems. It means you hold the keys to unlocking your potential. Through intentional thought, imagination, belief, and focus, you can reshape your reality from the inside out. Here's your challenge: start small. Reflect on one belief you know isn't serving you, and imagine what life would look like if you replaced it with something empowering. Begin crafting a vision for your future and revisit it daily. Feel it. Believe it. Remember, you're not a passive observer of life, you're its creator. The power lies within you to transform your fears into strengths, your dreams into realities, and your frustrations into breakthroughs. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and never underestimate the power of your mind.